We are making a candy surprise cake. We use altogether 3 cans of fun-fetti vanilla.
Made a fun-fetti cake.
And 2 boxes of fun-fetti cake.
To make 4 8-inch rounds.
Right.
If you're gonna cough or sneeze, you have to go away. Then we cut the top off with string to make them even so we can layer them.
The plan is fill them with candies.
Do you remember when people say children should be seen and not heard? That's a true thing. So seriously, stop asking questions.
You had a good idea of just using a glass.
Yeah. Just wanna.
I'm ready.
Does it look even?
It does.
Okay. Oh, it's not working.
I feel like this is gonna be great. Yes!
Oh, very nice.
Wow.
Guys.
So I'm going to try to fill the hole with what we have.
Oh yes.
That's amazing. We are doing such a good job.
We're great at this.
Can I help?
I'm gonna use my.
You're helping.
Here we go.
Ooh.
Wow, I guess we do have enough M&Ms.
Oh, I shouldn't have bought all those.
The top goes back on the cake.
It's like a little lid. Then we frost the whole thing.
I think it'll be
Maybe you
fine.
should help me out with this.
I think you're doing a fine job.
God, this is so much work.
These are edible
Balls?
decorations.
For the sides of the cake.
This looks like a delicious sponge.
All right, what do you think, Patty? Does it look?
I think it looks perfect.
So this is where it's all gonna start going to crap.
Yeah, one stripe in. Or do you want to do it at the bottom?
We could put candy around the bottom. What?
I don't like that idea.
Got
What are
it.
you doing? You're doing it the wrong way.
No, I'm not.
Let's just show the camera what you're doing.
Oh, friggin' hell, you're right!
Now we have one side that's going to be completely covered in frosting.
Why didn't you stop me?
I did. Okay, here we go.
I don't know what to take off.
What are you doing?
Is this off?
It's off. Yes, it's off.
the whole thing? You eat
took
this
it
whole thing?
off of. Yes. Oh, Lord.
Okay, whatever.
Okay. All right, that looks okay. Oh, look at it.
Yeah.
Do you think we should do
What?
like a circle of M&Ms?
Yeah.
All right. So we got done with that part.
I like it actually.
I think it's cute.
Birthday boy.
Wow, look, there's M&M's.
All right. No, that's a good
Picture of the middle.
I don't know.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Good luck.
I'm
sorry.
sorry.